The bioregion of Catalonia drives science, accelerates innovation, and moves our region forward. With patients at its center and with sustainability at its core, it is constantly evolving, expanding, and thriving. A collective effort that is transforming the future of healthcare. This 2025, the life sciences and health industry in Catalonia keeps growing, generating a major impact on our economy and our people. The bioregion is internationally recognized as a beacon ecosystem in Spain and one of the fastest growing hubs in Europe. We concentrate near 50% of the pharmaceutical plants, which generate 50% of the sector's total turnover. And our ecosystem is a foreign investment magnet that keeps attracting new multinational companies and international investment firms every year. High-impact science and a conviction for innovation are part of our DNA and empower us to continue leading the way. We are leaders in active clinical trials in Spain, Europe, and the world, and we account on a robust AI strategy with a landscape of more than 170 health companies working on it. 2025 has been a year of major milestones. We set a new record for investment in spin-offs, startups, and scale-ups, driven by venture capital and European competitive grants. We continue to strengthen our ecosystem with new strategic facilities and infrastructures to accelerate research and innovation. The bioregion of Catalonia is reaching new heights, a global hub leading the way in advancing the frontiers of health from Catalonia to the world. Explore full insights of a high-performing ecosystem. Access the 2025 Catalonia Health and Life Sciences Report